My name is Dr. Wanatike Samuel, the Executive Chairman of Ikwere Local Government Council, with the ruling of the Supreme Court today. And in obeying all laws of our land, I am still the Chairman of Ikwere Local Government Council as pronounced by the Rivers State House of Assembly led by Martin Chikere Amehule. We want to commend our lords of the Supreme Court. Democracy is operated on legs, the constitution and the rule of law, and today they have done justice to those, and it is clear to all.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Dr. Wanatike Samuel, the former local government chairman of Ikwere local government area of Rivers State, in a viral video insisting that he is still the chairman of Ikwere local government area of Rivers State, following the Supreme Court verdict, which returns the Martins Amehule-led Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. Following that viral video, there were reports that the local government area chairman that was replaced when the local government election took place in Rivers State in October are claiming that they are going to return back to office on Monday, March 3rd, to claim their seats, claiming that the Supreme Court verdict that returned Amehule-led Pro-Nyesom Wike Assembly has also restored them back, because that assembly extended their tenure. Can you beat that? Now, people have said that this could lead to a serious crisis in Rivers State if these people that their tenures have elapsed stage a comeback. You and I know the problem they had before. There was a standoff, even in them, these former lawmakers giving way for the successful local government chairman that emerged in October 2024 election to take place. There was all kinds of crisis, the setting ablaze of some local government and all that. It was missing. Now these people are now claiming that the return of Amehule and Co. is tantamount to the extension of their own tenure. Now this to me is tantamount to treasonable offense, because according to the Attorney General of the Federation, Lati Fabemi made us to know that no state, any attempt by any state to illegally dissolve local government, is tantamount to treason. That is a treasonable offense. It should be treated as a treasonable offense. Are you getting it? I remember he was quoted as having said that, let me state in unequivocal time that this act is tantamount to treason and must be treated as such. What was it? Dissolution of local government before their tenure. Now these people, their tenure had already elapsed. This Wanatike group, their tenure had elapsed. The government of Simi Fubara was planning to put caretaker committee. There was a kind of resistance from the local government, from the Amehule-led assembly at that time. But the tenure of these lawmakers have expired. Nobody could accuse Fubara that he stopped their tenure from running out. Okay, they were not stopped midway. Their 3 years local government tenure elapsed. Their extension has been described as an illegality. There was no basis to extend it whatsoever. But that was what that assembly did. Now, having been restored, that assembly, having been restored, despite the fact that they defected from the party that brought them to power to another party, this local government chairman, the former local government chairman, are standing their ground, speaking through one Osike, who has said that he stayed the local government chairman. So if they stage a comeback on Monday, March 3rd, to take over the local government, then crisis could erupt in Rivers State that we may not know how it will end. I think the best thing for them to do as they embark on the euphoria of their newfound Supreme Court judgment is for them to allow, first of all, the interpretation and the implementation of that judgment by the state governor. The former local government chairman should not be allowed to seek self-help. In other words, their tenure had expired. There was no basis. There was no basis for the extension of their tenure. There is no service they were providing that heads of local government administration couldn't provide. So when their tenure expired, if the Amehule-led assembly truly know what they were doing, they ought not to have even dabbled into the extent of saying that they will extend their tenure. But what they wanted to do was to rubbish Fubara, because they felt that Fubara was not fast in constituting the State Independent Electoral Commission and then conducting the election at faster possible. Even if it's just like even if we have not conducted the election, why should the tenure be extended? It's just like if INEC failed to conduct the election due to one reason or the other, then we have to extend the tenure of the president or the governor beyond their mandate. It's not done anywhere. So their tenure has finished, but they don't seem to know this. So if they carry out their plan that has already been reported in the media, that they want to storm the local governments to take over because Supreme Court has restored Amehule that extended their tenure. What is the relationship between Amehule being restored, Amehule Pro-Wike lawmakers restoration to restoration of the mandate of local government chairmen that their tenures expired several months ago? It doesn't really make sense. What it means is that these people are looking for trouble, because by the time they try to take over by force and there will be a pushback, it could result to a breakdown of law and order. That's why security agencies should be on the alert to stop them in their track from disturbing the peace of Rivers State. Already the governor had in a statewide broadcast constituted, directed the former chairmen that were duly elected in October 2024 to hand over to heads of administrations of their various local governments. This is to ensure smooth transition, peaceful transition. And according to the governor, that will be the case until appropriate time is set for conduct of local government election. These people, if they are still interested in their job, one or she can go, they should wait when the governor has been able to come up with a date after due consultation with the State Independent Electoral Commission. a new date will come up when there will be a fresh election to elect local government chairman in Rivers State. One or she can go, they can contest again if their party nominates them. But for now, I think it will be asking for too much for them to think that they will come and take over the local government. I think that will be testing the capacity of Simi Fubara, who is the chief security officer of Rivers State, who has already started implementing that Supreme Court decision, the Supreme Court decision on the Rivers State crisis. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about this former local government chairman that their tenures had expired, saying that they are going to come back, they're going to report on Monday, March 3rd, to occupy their position, that they are still local government chairman because Martin Samuel had been restored? What do you think about this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.